Hello, I'm here at 6413 Bradley, here in the Lindenwood Park neighborhood of St. Louis. It's an interesting house here. It's unlike any I've seen. This house was actually, believe it or not, built in 1900 by Jan Bredels, a Belgian who moved here to St. Louis from Bruges in Belgium. And then the house has remained in the family ever since. So again, although it was built by him in 1900 or thereabouts, he's done work to it over the years and has created his own unique home by doing so. This house was all originally on a triple lot, and the house next door was actually built for a relative by him as well. It's now obviously in other hands, but you can see that from the street level, we're on a massive lot here with a good setback and a nice side yard. And just wait till you see what's behind the house too. Coming up the front, we have a nice brick patio with flower garden. And from here we walk into the living room, which is very much as it probably was in 1900. Obviously, windows have been updated and decor has changed with the times over the century, but very similar to how it would be. This walks through into a dining room here. Laminate flooring. And then, as is the case, it looks like a rear addition had been built at some point, or maybe this was original, but clearly it's been updated at some point with this lovely range of windows in this family room area. And assuming because it was built for accessibility, a shower was put down here. There already was a powder room. Nice oak door and oak paneling. Through to the kitchen here. And I'm going to go ahead and take us out back because this is really special. There's an awesome covered area here. We have a gazebo, except it's way more structurally impressive than just a standard gazebo or covered porch. This is almost like what you'd see at a restaurant. And this walks through to probably the most substantial carport I've seen, with brick posts and a brick garage door, and a very heavy gate. Ooh, we get a nice breeze here. It's nice in that 100-degree heat. And then a gigantic 3-car garage. I'm not sure what he did, if he was a contractor of some sort. I'm guessing he probably was, because this last bay is deeper and looks like it's made either for a service vehicle or some kind of a truck of some description. But it would be perfect for someone like me who's a car collector too. Looking at the rear of the house, we have the secret garden here. Has a fountain on the wall. And trellises just aching for grapevines or something like that. And then as we come back through, We'll take a look at the upstairs of the house. And this is nice, the way that we have the covered walkway from the carport to the house as well. There's a walkout here that goes to the basement, which the rear of the basement is just kind of a basement for the furnace and water heater and what have you. Then coming upstairs, we have 2 bedrooms here. Both of these are pretty good size. And then the primary bedroom, at least I'm assuming that's what this was at the front of the house. And we have a bathroom here, tub shower, vanity and mirror. And it looks like it was designed so this would be a giant walk-in closet space, perhaps. It's a smaller bedroom, a little too small to be the main bedroom, but I'm guessing someone used it for their main closet or walk-in closet. So 3 bedrooms up here, plus that great, very well proportioned bathroom closet. Another bathroom down here. And then we do have the basement. Again, we have the one side which is unfinished down this way. Nothing really exciting there. And then this section, which could probably do with a little bit more flooring, has some of the original built-ins. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you very much, and please remember to like and subscribe.